What's up, Interceptor Squad? Welcome back to another video. Actually, a vlog. Oh, I had something in my... but anyway, before I start this video slash vlog, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 12,000 subscribers. We actually hit that about a week or two ago, something like that, and I've just been lacking on uploads so bad, and I want to change that. 12,000 is a big number, and I certainly never expected this channel to get to where it is today, so I kind of got to start taking it a little bit more serious and uploading a lot more regularly for you guys. I've been uploading like once a week, and I'm just not doing that anymore. I'm going to try to upload 2 to 3 times a week, whether it's a boring video. I want to get something out there for you guys. No more a video a week crap. That's done. But anyway, as you guys might be able to see, we got a new badging over here, 3.7 liter Cyclone. I actually saw this on Amazon. I think it was like 12 bucks. It came with 2 of them. We got one on this side and one on the other side. That's technically the engine that's in my car. It's a 3.7 liter Cyclone. I did a little bit of research and stuff, so yeah, I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty badass. I really do like it. But anyway, today, as you guys can probably see, we're going to get new tires. Hold on, let me turn my wheel real quick. Alright, so as you guys can see, my front tires are completely bald. Like really bad. There's like no tread left in the middle at all. So anyway, without further ado, let's jump in the cockpit. And let's get rolling with this vlog. Okay, so we have arrived. Sullivan Tire. That's who's going to be installing it today. So yeah, my appointment's not till 1 o'clock. It's currently 12:38 right now. So we got a little bit of time, so I'm just going to chill in the parking lot. Hopefully don't get too suspicious, but just a random police car, just cop car, chilling in the freaking thing. But yeah, I'm going to wait it out a little bit, and then this guy's just freaking straight grilling me right now. Wait a little bit, and then yeah, you guys will see the final result. I don't think I'm gonna film all of them in there, obviously, because you know, all that crap. But alright guys, so we just came back, got new tires. You guys can see that. Look at the difference. These are Kumho's, whatever the heck you want to say on that. So funny story, actually, is something I learned too today. Actually had to get not only my both front tires replaced, but I actually had to get my rears replaced too. My rears, as you guys saw, weren't that bad, but the guy said in all-wheel drive vehicles, if the treads don't match up and stuff, that it can ruin your drivetrain, and there's, you know, other issues that can, you know, harm your car in a certain way if, you know, the tread and everything isn't the same in an all-wheel drive vehicle. So I ended up having to get Kumho's for my rear as well. So I was planning on getting them eventually, so it was a little bit pricey for everything, plus it needed an alignment as well on the front and the back, so the grand total came out to like $843, but you know, it's worth it. Some of you guys might think, you know, it's a little bit too much, but you know, brand new tires, you know, good for probably, he said, you know, 50,000 miles, so I won't have to worry about these things for a while. But yeah, we're rocking Kumho's now, no more Eagle RSA, sadly. The X, whatever the frick you want to call that. But anyway, whatever, they're just tires, they're just, you know, as long as they do their job. Welcome back to day 2 of the vlog. We are actually heading right now to a car meet. So I'm gonna put down the camera because, as always, I'm always fashionably late. I always seem like I'm the last one to the car meet. So day 2 of the vlog, let's get on the road to the car meet. I'll see you guys there.
What do you want?